Counterfeit car seats are becoming an increasing problem in the U.S. and abroad. And the reason why this is so concerning is because counterfeit car seats are dangerous. If it's a counterfeit car seat, it has not been crash tested. That means it does not meet any federal motor vehicle safety standards. We never want to put an infant or a child into a car seat that's a counterfeit. I have two car seats in front of me right now. One of them is an approved car seat, the other is a counterfeit. By looking at them, can you tell which is which? So if you thought that this car seat here was the counterfeit, you are correct. So let's talk about why. Step number one is we want to look for our manuals. We should not only have a manual in English, but also in Spanish. Another thing we're going to have right out of the box is a registration card, and we're going to use that to register our seat. Because once we register our seat, this is the only way that a manufacturer can let you know that there's any type of recalls that need to be done on your seat. If you have a counterfeit car seat, you're not going to be able to register it. Each manufacturer has a serial number that is specific to your seat, and if it does not recognize that serial number, it's going to tell you that you're not able to register your seat. When you're looking at these labels, they're going to give you parameters for height and weight to make sure that your child will actually fit in this seat. Another thing that we're going to look for is we're going to look for our label that's going to tell us the name of the manufacturer. It's going to tell us the address for the manufacturer. It's going to tell us the date of manufacture. One of the very important labels that I want you to be aware of is a label that's going to tell you this child restraint system conforms to all applicable federal motor vehicle safety standards. Your seat should have what we call a 5-point harness system. That means you've got two straps that are going to go over the shoulders. You've got two straps that are going to go over the hips, and you've got a buckle system. What do we do if we think we have a counterfeit car seat? I've got a seat here that came to us from a family, and the family wanted to verify whether or not this was a counterfeit car seat. The first thing I asked them was, do you have your manual or your registration card? And they did not. The family informed me that there was nothing in the box. Big red flag that we have a counterfeit seat. So if you look at this particular label, it says never left child unattended. That's actually a typo. When I saw that, I knew right away we had a second red flag on this seat. There's actually no label that tells me that this seat meets any federal motor vehicle safety standards. Third red flag for us. As we inspected the parts, right away I noticed I do not have a 5-point harness system. Yes, I have the straps for the shoulders. Yes, I have a crotch buckle. No, I do not have any straps that go over the hips. We never ever want to put a child into a counterfeit, unapproved car seat. When we do, we're putting that child in danger, and everybody knows number one priority is the safety of our babies.